wanted people, sure know how to trick. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what were you thinking then when you kissed your lips? Now I'm kinda glad you did, 'cause now you adore me, adore me. Go ahead now, adore me, adore me. Little did I know, she wanted you alone. I thought she was over you, but I guess I was wrong. I came to the party.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. In today's video, we are going to be doing a product review. Today's video is sponsored by Newair. So Newair reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review their countertop Nugget ice maker. Summer is coming, there's gonna be lots of parties, and we all love Nugget ice, right? So I said, sure, I would love to review your Nugget ice maker. I like getting the ice from Sonic, and I think Chick-fil-A also has Nugget ice. It's just really small, round little pellets, perfect for your cocktails, your mocktails. So yeah, today we're gonna be reviewing the Newair Countertop Nugget ice maker. From the reviews that I've seen, people are loving it. And yeah, I wanted to try it out for myself. So again, Newair, thank you for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it. The summer is coming up. It's time for parties and outdoor gatherings. And I thought this little ice maker would be perfect. You guys know we all like the Nugget ice that you get from your fast food restaurants. So now you can have that style ice in your own home, all with the help of Newair. So let's take it out of the box, set it up, and see how it works. All right, so here is the ice maker. Again, it is a 44-pound countertop Nugget ice maker by Newair. So we are going to take it out, fill it up with water, and see how it performs. So it does come with these little tapes on the side to keep the bucket in place. We'll go ahead and remove that. And then pull out our ice tray, like so. That's how it looks. Comes with its own little ice scoop. Also take down everything a good wash. And then let me show you inside. Inside is where the water will go. And it looks like it has like a little filter in there. So yeah, let's get this wiped down, cleaned up. All right, we have our pitcher of water and we're just gonna go ahead and pour it in. Here is our water, all poured in. Now we are going to put back in the tray, like so. I must say that I love the sleek design of the machine. So now we're going to press the clean button and it should start to flash and clean. It's fogging up in there. It's cleaning. All right, so the cleaning cycle has finished. Now we're going to drain the water. I don't want to try to pick the whole thing up and take it over to the sink, so I'm going to try to drain it back into the water pitcher that we used to fill it up. So let's hope it works. All right, so turn it around. And these tubes are our drain tubes. So I'm gonna pull one of them off and let it drain the water. Put these back on and then empty the pitcher, and then we'll come back and finish draining. It's all drained, all clean. And we'll put our drain pipes back into place. These have to be in place or the machine won't work. So, and then we'll turn it back around. I'm gonna take the reservoir and I'm gonna clean it out again. All right, we're gonna fill up our pitcher with clean filtered water. Because the mouth of this pitcher is so large, I'm going to go and switch to glass. All right, so I have my extra glass of water. Pour that in. I think that's enough. We'll put in our bucket and raise it up a little. Press the ice. And now we're going to be making fresh nugget ice. Should take about an hour, so we'll let it do its thing and we'll come back when it's done. All right, it has started making ice. Look at that. I know it's kind of hard for you to see, but it's making ice. Guys, it is finished making ice and it is really full. Oh my gosh, look at the ice. So nice. Absolutely love it. So we need to make a cocktail. As you can see, it's made a whole bucket of nugget ice. Absolutely love this. You can pull it right out. So we're gonna get some ice. There's our ice. We're gonna add it. right, here's our drink with our Nugget ice maker. So nice. Very tasty. So Newair, I would like to thank you for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a coupon linked in the description box down below, as well as a link to their website where you can go pick up one of these countertop Nugget ice makers for yourself. Don't hesitate. It's the perfect thing for summer, for those parties that you have, your summer gatherings. You can take it anywhere. You can take it on the go, anywhere, as long as you have electricity. But yeah, I highly recommend, make sure you go get yours.